In this video, I show you how to use Snug Scheduler to distribute a set of fixed shifts to employees who are available to take them. Here is the scenario. A manager of a diner has 5 shifts to schedule for tomorrow: 1 morning shift, 2 afternoon shifts, and 2 night shifts. Each of her 5 employees have already notified her of their availability, some in the morning, afternoon, night, or a combination of these time periods. In order to be able to fill all the shifts, the manager needs to find some arrangement that works within each employee's availability. To help us with this, let's go to snugscheduler.com and click on the Explore tab here. We want to use the Distribution Scheduler here to help us solve this diner shift distribution problem. In the schedule settings, we'll limit the time period to 1 day from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and we'll keep the time interval at 1 hour. You might notice that the input is in a time format and not a categorical format, like afternoon or night. This is okay, because we can just treat morning as 8 a.m. to 11 a.m., noon as 11 a.m. to 4 p.m., and night at 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. In this input, we will specify the time for the shifts. So we have 1 in the morning from 8 a.m. to 11 a.m., 2 in the afternoon from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m., and 2 at night from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. From here, we'll add the employee slots. To add a new slot, we can click on the slot area, type in a name, and select a color. This first employee is available in the morning and afternoon. We can click the Add button on the lower left while an employee slot is selected and repeat the same steps for all the other employees. Now, to find a valid assignment of shifts to employees, we just need to go to the lower left and click Run Scheduler. As you can see, it was able to give us a valid assignment for the shifts. We can use the arrows to go through the different pages for all the employee schedules. You can try the distribution scheduler yourself right now. Start scheduling over at snugscheduler.com.